I am Uncle Mark. Welcome to my channel. Working on my Chrysler Sebring, or maybe it's Chrysler 200. They're basically the same car from 2007, 2014. You've either got one of the map lights just when you're sitting right by your mirror, or maybe your dome light for a back occupant's bulb is out. I'm going to show you how to take the assembly apart, show you what the bulb is, and how to put it back in. Let's get to it. So yeah, I just need a flat screwdriver. Oh, wrong side. This is the driver's side. Looks like it's got a little place to put the screwdriver, which isn't necessarily where it hooks in. So you see right there, screwdriver spot, but here's actually where the little clip is. So I played around with it for a little bit here, and it's like, well, maybe I need just a little bit fatter screwdriver. It's just about. I don't want to break anything. I'm thinking 2 small screwdrivers together might work better, and that's what I'm going to do. And just, put them both in the same spot there. Side by side, they can work in unison, I guess is the word. And it pops. And it's kind of slightly hinged on this one side. I'll show you what it looks like. Plastic piece with a hole in it. I'll show you when we put it back. Now, if you don't need this out, I would not take it out because it's a lot of fun to put it back. Those bulbs are hot. Just have to touch it just because it's hot, right? They're just clipped in there. So yeah, if you can get a screwdriver under the bulb, it'll pop out. It's got a couple little fingers. Now, it looks like this bulb is a 578 or a 578 LL. LL is for long life. Basically, one bulb is a little more money because they are made to last a little longer. Now here's the problem now. How do you get this back in here? I should have just left it in there. Then I got it upside down. The switches face away from the mirror. I think the left side goes in first. Then when you put the plastic clear lens back on, it'll hook on the right side and it holds everything together. See a little hook there? Just kind of hooks around with a little slot. And pop that side in there and this side, and then you would think it would snap maybe when it was new. I'm scared I'm going to break it, so I think I'm going to use my screwdriver again. Please don't break. There. Here's a bonus tip. Now, if you're having trouble after this with the switches and sticking, it's because the whole assembly is not sitting right. See how they work fine here, but if you move it back that way, they stick. So push it all the way towards the windshield once it's in there. This one will act up too a little bit. Push it all the way down, that way towards the mirror. Should be good. Now this back dome light, for passengers, I guess the other ones were considered like a map light. Same idea. This one comes out a lot easier. I would suggest just let that swing and leave it. But no, you know me, I've got to fiddle with everything. Actually, I've got some dead bugs in there too. It's the same kind of idea. Stick your screwdriver in between, like the socket and the bulb. It's a 578 or a 578 LL, same as the front ones. And just stick your new one back in there. It just clips in. And that just snaps down there. Might need to use your screwdriver. Just gonna Give it a little bit of help with the screwdriver. There you go. That's that. That's going to do it for the video. Hopefully you found it informative. Pretty easy to do, even if you didn't have the little screwdrivers. A couple butter knives. I'm sure if you're careful with them, you can get the lens apart. Then just pop the bulb out, put the new one in. It's that easy. Maybe get the bulb before you take it apart. That way you don't have to do it twice. Give me the thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe down in the corner if you haven't already. I've got many videos in there. At this point, there's probably about 300 of them. Not on this, all on this car, but different repairs. Sometimes things like this video with the dome lights and that, vehicles pretty much are going to be pretty much all the same, we'll say. They're gonna snap in like that. So I'll put a link up in the corner here to a playlist for this car. It'll cover the 2007s to the 2014 Sebring /200. They changed the name midway through. It's the same car. They're not bad little cars. I better get going. Thanks for stopping by. If you haven't had enough of me already, go look at some more of the videos. Till next time, Uncle Mark saying bye-bye for now. Please subscribe, and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Since you've watched the video, you know what's wrong here, right? This is upside down. Switch is faced there. That's better, huh? Only took me a little while. This doesn't fit very nice even that way. Dog will show you how to get all the notices, ring the bell, so that you get not personalized, but all notices. So if one is out, you can just go buy them ahead of time and then do a little bit of swapping and swapping. Let's go do it for the video, hopefully. So next time, Uncle Mark's saying bye-bye for now. We'll show you all notifications. That's why the next time, that's going to do it for the video.